Okay, so si Senator Loren at si Senator Pia finally got in touch with the NBI director. So they're here, they're here in the room. We have to turn off the lights dahil may putukan na nangyayari. Si Senator Pia and si Senator Loren called the NBI director. He said wala daw sila dito dahil pinaalis daw nila dito. So he said, please find out what's happening kasi nagpuputukan. Sabi niya walang magagawa kasi pinaalis. And then he started saying, wag kami magtaas ng boses. What will you do, Director, kung may putukan na at lahat ng staff mo at yung mga usaan mo naka-vest na lahat and hindi malaman mangyayari? What would you do? Hindi ba dapat ang sagot mo, ma'am, sir, I'll go there, I'll make sure you'll help?
That's what I was expecting him to say. When Senator Loren was talking to him very calmly, I said, what are you gonna do about this? Pinuputukan kami dito. So sabi niya, hindi kami makalapit, pinalis nyo kami dyan. Sabi ko, well, then do your job, make us safe, this is not good. Ma'am, wag mo ako sigawan. Yun lang ang masasabi mo sa akin. Pinuputukan kami, sasabihin mo sa akin, wag kitang sigawan. Sumisigaw ako dahil mataas ang emotion.
So, I'll give everyone context. 4 senators got tips 30 minutes ago while we were talking na umalis na dito kasi may mangyayari. So, yung isa kapwa senador, yung iba kung sino-sino